Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial Ubuntu 20.04 server upgrade error var lib dpkg log for frontend upgrade not 13 package can be upgrade run. This is log solution to run this command. Then dpkg configure option A, then run this command, then again run dpkg config option A, then run apt upgrade. Must be run apt auto remove, then solve this error. I think this is 80% solved. Successfully upgrade done. Now run apt auto remove option Y for complete upgrade installation successfully done. Yes, successfully done. Upgrade and auto remove. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.